Hello and welcome to PM Coding. Today I will talk about glassmorphism, which is becoming a more and more popular trend in web design. Here is what we will be building. It is a simple interface which has a button styled to fit the frosted effect of glassmorphism. Additionally, I am also illustrating it on the navigation menu that you can see if I click on the burger icon. So let's get started. To achieve this look, we basically need to apply a semi-transparent background, a background blur, a box shadow, and a semi-transparent border to the elements. I already have my project set up with most of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as I only want to focus on styling the button and the navigation. If we look at the page now, you can see the button has a different color and the navigation has no background color at all. We'll start with the button first. Right now, the background of the button is magenta, but I'm going to change that to a white with a transparency of 0.25. For this, I am providing an RGBA value. Then I am adding a box shadow of 0, 10 pixels, 30 pixels, and as a color, I am defining a darker gray with a transparency of 0.4. To blur the background showing through the button, I am using a backdrop filter with blur, and as a value, I pass 3 pixels. Finally, to achieve the frosted glass effect, I am also adding a semi-transparent border. On hover, I want the button to grow in size to make it appear like it is emerging closer to the user from the screen. Because of that, I have added scale and passed in 1.1 and 1.1. This will make the element grow by 10% in width and in height. Right now when this happens, it is changing its background color to purple. Instead, I want it to change to a semi-transparent white, like the button. The rule is that the closer the layer is to the top, the more transparent it should become. Because of that, I am changing the transparency of the background from 0.25 to 0.2 on hover. Now, if I hover over the button, it grows and gets slightly more transparent. To achieve the same effect with the navigation, I can copy-paste this code to its selector, which is in my case header-nav. If I save, you can see that the same effect is now applied to the menu. Generally, you would use a colorful background to make this effect stand out. However, I tried it with this grayish nature image as well, and it looks quite interesting, I think. With this, our project is done. The source code is available through my GitHub, which I linked below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. I upload coding tutorials every week. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, I am always interested what you have created, so feel free to also share your projects created with Glassmorphism. Thanks for watching and see you next time.